Okay, video part 1. This will be when completed, sightseeing with dignity, human rights, art series artwork 51. Not sure. Actually, I began planning it so that it would be horizontal like this. So let's video this like this. This will be a memorial to a Palestinian journalist who died this year, covering the situation, the Israeli term for the never-ending Israeli-Palestinian conflict, what I call the conflict without end. And the situation is similar in wordage to Northern Ireland's conflict, which went on for many years, what they called the Troubles. So I'm doing some parody here. And this is going to be a memorial to the journalist who was in her 50s. She also had American citizenship. And because it's going to be titled something like, I dreamt that the Israelis developed a new weapon in their arsenal of, in their propaganda, in their campaign to deny Palestinians a right of return, with the goal of a secular one-state solution, or even an apartheid-like two-state solution. And the weapon is the new IDF, Israeli Defense Forces, Rocket-Propelled Gefilte RPG. And that will be there on the right, portrait of the slain journalist on the left. All right, to be continued. Stay tuned. It is early August 2022.